Mark, we're at EMO 2017. Now, you represent Walmag in the UK, but who are they and what do they do?
Okay. They're a company out of the Czech Republic. They came out of the ashes of Walker Magnetics, who have a history of in excess of 25 years of manufacturing magnetic work-holding devices. They're about 60 people strong, so they're a serious player.
And is there a big market in the UK for magnetic chucks, for instance?
I've seen, since we've represented Walmag, I've seen a growth in the UK, particularly in the yellow goods area. I think this is a good growth for us in that industry, yes.
We're going to talk about the Mastermill product, but what actually are we looking at here, Mark?
Okay, the Mastermill is our electro-permanent milling chuck. It's absolutely universal, good for a variety of workpieces, from small to large, from short to tall. The top plate is made out of one solid piece, and this is very good. It gives the characteristic of no ingress of coolant into the electronics of the chuck. As well as that, around the periphery of the chuck there's a recess into which we can clamp down onto a machining table, the milling tables, the milling machine's table. We can also actually drill through the plate to give it fixings into the table if that was necessary. Another advantage would be that we can put pole extensions onto the table. And this is particularly useful if we've got a very long, a long batch, or indeed for five-sided machining of a workpiece.
And if I'm an engineer with a vise, for instance, cutting a component, what advantage does magnetic chucks give over a vise, for instance?
Well, the main advantage there would be that we're not putting any forces into the edges of the workpiece, so there's no component deformation.
And from a cost-effective point of view, how good are these in reference to prices against other versions in the market in the UK?
I would say price-wise, we would be leading the market in the UK. I think they come from the Czech Republic, and we're representing them in the UK. All of our stuff's very well priced.
Thanks, Mark.
Okay.